going to go through the proper care and maintenance of your hearing aids. With proper care and maintenance and careful handling, your hearing aids can perform like new for many years. Cleaning your hearing aids regularly will not only help you hear better, they'll last longer too. Your hearing aids came with instructions for cleaning earwax and other substances. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully and clean your hearing aids as often as recommended. If your hearing aids have a wax filter or wax guard, be sure to change them at least once a month or sooner if you produce a lot of earwax. Always protect your devices from heat, moisture, water, sweat, and chemicals such as hairspray, as these substances can damage your hearing aids. Replace dead batteries immediately and always keep a spare set handy. Open the battery doors when not in use to preserve battery life and to air out the devices. And finally, follow up with your audiologist on a regular basis for servicing and adjustment. Regular cleaning, maintenance, and servicing can go a long way to keeping your hearing aids working their best and helping you hear for years to come. To schedule a free hearing evaluation and for answers to your questions, call us at the number below. And for more videos and helpful hearing information, visit our website at hearingaidoctors.com. Thanks for watching.